Technord is an industrial factory design consultancy that pools all the skills necessary for the design, manufacture, installation, commissioning and maintenance of industrial plants, from electrical engineering to industrial information processing. Our expertise has been mainly built up on account of our positioning as a reference partner for extractive companies. Originally gained in one of the most highly developed cement basins in the world, our experience rapidly extended to encompass the whole of Europe and then the rest of the world. Our IT department has developed a comprehensive solution for the automatic management of logistic flows and weighing through the integration of interactive identification and loading terminals, from the moment materials enter the site through to dispatch of the finished products, and an integration between the industrial process, business data processing and logistics. This application makes use of a local computer server providing the interface with the management supervisor, the ERP, and so making billing to the end customer easier. Identification and loading terminals providing the interface with the drivers who supply or load products and the local server. Depending on the sites and their operating method, and according to our customers' loading methods, processes and products, different automated solutions can be studied and deployed in a customized manner and in observance of the on-site infrastructure. The systems offered by Technord incorporate all the identification standards, magnetic badges, RFID, barcodes and interface with the protocols already in place, thanks to our control of the coupling of the industrial processes with the management systems based on the major international standards for industrial information processing. To optimize the fulfillment of sales contracts, we propose a completely automated local management of dispatch flows. The customer reserves his dispatch and the factory informs the haulier of the journey needing to be made. A computerized process sees to it that the planning of the rendezvous is set to the local system of the production site. The dispatches are then scheduled every day and the drivers can report to the site entrance for self-service loading. By keying in an access code in the terminal, the driver opens an interface in his language which enables him to be identified and verifies all useful data in order to ensure faultless loading. A badge is issued automatically and the lorry is given access to the site. Once the lorry has arrived at the loading point, access to the warehouse is only unlocked on presentation of the badge by the driver, who himself manages the loading handles or shuttles. All these operations are performed under the control of the automatons and the data processing applications, so as to avoid any overloading or quality error. Once loading has been completed, the driver can retrieve his badge and head to the site exit, where he can collect his transport documents on handing in the badge. In addition to automatic loading, we've developed other solutions for customized loading, loaders, trains, and non-automatic storage sites. For stockpiles, we offer coverage by a wireless network and the use of portable terminals fitted inside the loaders. This terminal receives the list of lorries waiting with products to be loaded. The driver of the bulldozer then identifies each lorry in order to load it according to the correct quality. The operator then reports completion of the loading to the computer server by means of a wireless connection. In cases where trains are formed, our system can be used to identify the railroad freight cars and form the freight trains, and to send this information to the railway companies. The composition of the freight train and the identification of each freight car with its weight and its station of departure and arrival make automatic monitoring possible with a view to ensuring a good management of the railway process. In other sectors, such as the food processing industry, or for use in various warehouses where there's a seasonal activity, we can authorize and control access to the site throughout the year by means of a terminal fitted with a lockable drawer and additional equipment such as video surveillance, positioning sensors, and peripheral loading terminals. Apart from a better control of the materials, loading and reception installations, and the increased hourly sales capacity that comes with it, the TechNord system enables increased site security and security of the incoming, outgoing and internal material flows, comprehensive management and total traceability of the products and of any occurrences, cost saving thanks to automatic billing and a more efficient order planning, a reduction in the number of problems attributable to human error, improved maintenance of the installations through the use of communication technologies, making it possible to carry out updates and repair jobs in remote fashion, the modular nature of the system, which can be adapted to the specific characteristics of each production site, increased productivity of the loading points due to a lengthening of the time slots during which they can be used, including nights and weekends if necessary, queue management and steering of the lorries to the relevant places. For your customers, our solution constitutes a considerable time saving and offers the advantage of a user-friendly and multilingual interface.